Hello, and welcome back to Interview with Tommy Trout. Recently caught from the Warner Creek area, he has an exclusive interview with us today. Hi, how's it going? It's going pretty well. We'd like to know your feelings on being caught today. Oh, it was a whole bunch of fun. I had a good time. The guy who hooked me is a really great guy. Couldn't have happened to a better guy. The other two guys that were fishing, they were kind of losers. And I could have bought on their hook, but the guy that caught me, he was a really good guy. Oh yeah, tell me more about him. What's his name? Oh, his name's Dave, and he's a really good guy. He's a good fisherman. He knows how to really knows how to work a line and how to make a fish feel good about being caught. Because I'm going to be going home to his freezer, and that's exciting. And oh, you're going to go home to his freezer and wait there in his freezer till he eats you. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to be part of his dinner. One of his kids will probably eat me. Might be Mary Grace. Could be Mary Grace. She's over here. She's a real cute kid. Give me a kiss, Mary Grace. Got a kiss. Oh, that's Fallon. That's Mary Grace's good friend, Fallon. My bad. Oh, sorry. It's getting hard for me to see. See, I've been out of the water for about an hour now, and my eye's starting to glaze over. So, I can't see so good. Mary Grace is over there. If you see, right over there, there she is. She's waving. She's waving. Mary Grace. Mary Grace can wave. There she is. That's Mary Grace. She might be the one that eats me. I'd be really happy to have her eat me, cause she's got a big appetite. And that's about it. Only thing else I wanted to say is that I'm a brave fish for taking that hook. Well, thanks, Tommy. You say you're brave, but I'd have to say you're gutless. What do you mean I'm gutless? I mean you're gutless. What do you mean I'm gutless? I mean look under your belly. I'm gutless. I got no guts. I get it. You're funny. Okay. I gotta die now. Goodbye.